Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the car, please help me click that subscribe button and click that bell notification for more update when I have new video. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford Edge 2.0 turbo. You can see the check engine light, it's right there, it's present, and these are the code for the evap leak, and this is the purge valve. So let me show you where the purge valve is sitting. So the purge valve is right here, sitting right under the air tube. So from the back, you're gonna, let me focus the camera. So from the back, you're gonna press on the connector right here, press on the tab, pull it back. And then for this lock right here, the green lock for the purge valve, I use the pick. I put it right in the back right here, and then you just pop it up. And then that way you can remove it from the purge valve like that. So a better view for you. Let's do it on this one. You can see it's the same lock. So basically you're gonna shove this behind, shove the pick behind there, and then pry it out. So that way you get it to unlocked. So you keep following the purge valve. So the purge valve runs out to here, follow the tube, run out to this white tab lock right here. You're gonna press on the white tab, press it and remove it. Press it right here, press the white tab to get it to unlock, and then keep following it. You're gonna cut the zip tie right here. This hose right here is gonna come with the purge valve, but you do not need this hose to be replaced. So keep following it. You're gonna run to, it's kind of hard angle, you're gonna run into this tube right here with the white tab, same thing. Let me put it down there. So that tube right there, since my hand is small, my hand's small enough, I don't have any problem reaching down there. Press the white tab and then out. So the line that I took out is connected to this tube right here. You can see it's a very tight spot. If you guys struggle to get the lock to unlock, you can buy this tool, which is the Evap tool. This is the plier. This is the part number for the plier right here. So what you do is, if it's too hard, you can reach in like this and then just press it on the lock like that. But my hand's small enough, so I can just reach in and pinch it like that. So I got my new part here. So the new part comes with the 2 extra holes with the yellow clip. This line right here you don't need to replace. Just cut the zip tie and separate that line, because this hose does not affect the purge valve at all. This is the main purge valve right here that you need to replace in the 2 lines. So if you want to replace that, it's going to be the yellow connector right here. And then there's another one that's like all the way down to the bottom, which is all the way down there. You can see it's like very, very tight spot. So I'm not gonna replace that, so it doesn't affect the check engine light at all, because it's a separate line. Now this is the original part number from Ford. It comes with the bracket, but I don't need the bracket. I'm gonna take out the bracket because I have the original brackets on there already, and the line with the yellow clips, I don't need it. So I'm just gonna cut the zip tie, because that's just a separate line. So you can see it's a separate line. I don't need it, and it's very hard to take out the one on the bottom. You can try to get it, but it's very, very hard. So let me show you how to test the purge valve real quick. I have my smoke machine on right here. So the flow, you can see the ball, and the ball's down right now. So I'm opening it up, so you can see the smoke coming out of the tube. Now this is the bad purge valve. So if I put this in, and then you see smoke coming out of the other side, that's a bad purge valve right there. It's also coming out of there too. So that's a bad purge valve right there. And you can see the ball is still flowing on top right there. See? Now the new one, I'm gonna show you the new one right here. I'm gonna show you the new one. So if I put it there, you don't see no smoke coming out of the tube at all. And this one also, and you can see the ball drop down. Now the ball go up because I took it out. Now I'm gonna put it back. The ball's gonna drop. You can see the ball's gonna drop. Wait, give me 1 second. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. There you go. You can see the ball drop down all the way, so that's no leak. So this is a good purge valve. Bad purge valve, you can blow through it, and the smoke will go through. If you use the smoke machine, that's a bad purge valve. Purge valve always closed. And to test a purge valve for power, open and close the switch. You're gonna use the power probe to put power in here to test it. Putting in the new one, so reconnect the bottom one, click, top one, click, and for the purge valve, I put it back on the mount, and then reconnect the line. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see it through there. Focus it. Put the line all the way through. Lock it down, and then put your connector back. So make sure when you're here, check the connector too. Make sure the wire is not broken or damaged. Make sure the pin inside is clean, no corrosion. But put it back in place. So again, you do not need to replace the one with the yellow tab because it's a separate line. It does not affect the purge valve. So the purge valve only have 2 lines, so which is this line and the one on the bottom of the intake manifold. That's the one I'm just replacing, so you don't need to replace this one. You can if you want to, but it's really hard to get to the bottom one. Let me show you the code one more time again for the purge valve. There you go. Very small leak, purge valve. Now I'm gonna clear the code. So very easy fix. Ford has a lot of issue with the Evap system. I fixed this a lot, so it's a normal problem. You can see that's it. So this is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to this channel, please help me subscribe, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.